Hello everyone! 皆さんこんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。今日のレッスンでは簡単な文章を作る練習をしてみましょう。In this lesson, you will learn making a simple sentence using the verbs. Let's get started. So, basic format to make a sentence in Japanese is you start with topic, subject, then object, and verbs. So keep in mind, verbs are last. Verbs are last in Japanese sentence, different to English. So that means you don't know until the person speaking finished whether they are saying negative or affirmative sentence because verbs determine the whole sentence. It said the 簡単な文章。簡単な means simple. 簡単な it's an adjective. 文章 means a sentence. 文章。So in this lesson, let's practice some short verbs. So start with する. Example sentence. 宿題をする。Repeat after me. 宿題をする。So that means 宿題 means homework. So I'm going to do my homework. You can express like this. So 宿題 is object. をする is a verb to do something. So we have a lot of する verbs, but that's the one of them. 行く is to go. So example sentence. 学校に行く。Repeat after me. 学校に行く。So 学校に行く means I'm going to school. So that's a future tense. Can be right now or can be in few hours later. Repeat after me. 学校に行く。はい。Next, 来る to come. 明日友達が来る。So that means, you know, 明日. So this kanji is 明日. It's better to have a comma here because 明日 is one word, 友達 is another word. So if you put that together, sometimes when my students put the kanji, all kanji put together without the comma. But if the word different meaning, you better have a comma here like this. 明日友達が. So that's more natural. Otherwise, you need to have a hiragana. Okay? My friend is coming tomorrow. 明日 means tomorrow. 友達が来る。友達 is friends. Repeat after me. 明日友達が来る。はい。So 来る is come. So come to me. So come to my house. That means. Or come to my party or something. Okay? One more time. Repeat after me. 明日友達が来る。はい。次。見る。見る is to see, to watch. By the way, miru has two kanjis, but I introduced the basic one. Another time I will show you the another kanji. So this one means miru. So 映画を見る. So this means maybe watch at home or 見る. Okay, to watch. I'm going to watch a movie. This kanji is 映画. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. 映画を見る. 映画を見る. So object and verb, that's the word order. 次 means next ね。次。聞く is to listen, to hear. So this one, 音楽を聞く. You know, this means 音楽. So this kanji on means sound. The next kanji is 楽 is also meaning is fun. So I'm going to listen to music. Because 聞く is listen. Then を is particle to indicate action towards to what? Towards to the music. So, 音楽を聴く。Okay? Let's practice. Repeat after me. 音楽を聴く。はい。One more time. 音楽を聴く。Good. 食べる。食べる is to eat. Short form of 食べる。豚骨ラーメンを食べる。So that means I'm going to eat a tonkotsu ramen. A tonkotsu is a type of flavor for one of ramen. Ramen has different flavors, but I just picked that randomly. Tonkotsu. It's like a pork-based soup flavor. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. 豚骨ラーメンを食べる。One more time. 豚骨ラーメンを食べる。Next. To drink. 飲む。お水を飲む。That means drink something. So, お水。お水 means water. You can drop o, and simply you can say 水 as well. But adding o make it polite. So I like to use the politeness because it's if you can speak polite Japanese, people will consider you have a good manner. So that's why I use the polite Japanese. Okay, repeat after me. お水を飲む。One more time. お水を飲む。Good. Next is 話す。話す。話す is a this kanji. The left part is to say something. The next part is this kanji is a tongue. So 話す. So because when you talk, you use your mouth, then use the tongue too. So 話す means to talk, to speak. Repeat after me. 日本語で話す。One more time. 日本語で話す。日本語 is a Japanese language. Okay, next. 買う。買う is to buy. 私は本を買う。本 means book. So repeat after me. 私は本を買う。はい。One more time. 私は本を買う。Next. 着る。着る means to wear. But this verb, 着る means implies normally like a top. Bottom is different verb, which is 履く. So 着る is top part, you use it. So in English, is to wear is wear shoes, wear pants, wear jacket. It's you can use to just wear. But the Japanese verbs to wear is depending on wear what. It's different. But I just introduced the first one is to wear 着る for top part. さあ、子供は制服を着る。Repeat after me. 子供は制服を着る。This vocabulary, 制服 means school uniform ね。制服。I put the school uniform can be some 制服 can be uniform for work, like some shop stuff where some clothes like written the shop name, something like countdown or something. So that can be called a safe as well. So I will change it school uniform or work uniform. Okay. Okay, so we have practiced the 10 sentences. Let's practice again. This time you can listen and then repeat after me without looking text message. Repeat after me. 学校に行く。明日友達が来る。映画を見る。音楽を聴く。 豚骨ラーメンを食べる。お水を飲む。日本語を話す。私は本を買う。子供は制服を着る。Okay, so that's for today's lesson. Good job. よくできました。Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please leave some comment in Japanese. Please subscribe my channel. The important thing is keep studying every day. Okay, ではまた頑張ってね。さようなら。